Hi, this is Ibrahim Ikmel. Welcome back. Today I will show you how to install a DNS server on Oracle Linux 12 and Oracle Linux 7 to continue our installation for real application cluster. But before I start, I will show you what exactly the DNS server. So I have a figure or an image. So you can see here. Usually you have a web browser, you ask or write on the web browser this address. But actually behind the scene, this address will go to the DNS server here, and then this DNS server provide you the IP. To make this section is simple for you, imagine you have a phone number and you have many people saved with their phone their phone numbers inside your mobile. So when you try to call someone, so you just write the name, and then this number will appear for you to dial it to talk to this person. So this is the same for this client. This client asks for something, let's say google.com or paradise.sg, and request this website, but the machine can understand the IP. The human can just remember the names. So they put this DNS server to make it simple for us to understand exactly what we want and what the machine that we ask for. And for the normal people, but for the IT people, they understand the IP, but actually it's difficult to memorize all these numbers. But by name, it's easy. So this DNS server can reply back for this client with the IP, for that address, and then this machine can ask for this IP, and then for this IP, and this IP is for a specific machine somewhere, and this machine can reply back with the client request and provide it with the service that he asked for. So this is the simple example for the DNS server. So actually the DNS server can installed on Windows, Linux, Unix machine. Okay, it's no matter what's the operating system. It could be configured on different machine, on different operating systems. So let's go for practical side. So we have here VMware with Oracle Linux operating system 7.3. So first thing, we need just to mount the DVD to install the bind software. So I list the topics here. First, mount Oracle Linux 7 DVD to VMware. So to do this, we can come here and then go to the settings. From settings, we have here the disk, CD, DVD, IDE. So make sure this, and you pick this one, the Linux ISO. This contains the software. So, and the packages for Oracle Linux operating system. So when it's selected, we just come here and removable devices. Just do connect. This connect will mount the ISO image to the operating system. So we can just open and we can see what is that. This one, what we want, the packages, the RBM to contain the packages for binding. Actually, the binding or the bind9 is it's the same as DNS. in Linux, they use the bind software package to enable the DNS service. So let's get started. First, we want to create a repository to allow us to use the yum to install the packages. So we'll see here. You can see here, create repo to install the bind program or the bind service. So here we can open. Okay, you need to work as a root. To get this done, you need a root user or to be a super privileged user. So from here, we can just navigate to etc yum.repo. Here we can just ls. There is no any repository available, so we can create one by nano. From here we can just put any name, ol 7.3 Oracle Linux 7.3.repo. Enter. I put here and it's ready. Here I just copy. I will just copy and paste it because I want to save time. I don't want to make this video too much long. So Control X to save, yes, and cat the result. Sorry, cat the result to make sure that's okay. It's written. Okay, first we need to make sure that this is available or not. Paste ls-l. Okay, it's visible to the operating system and can navigate to it. Okay, so we will return back ls-l. Okay, so we'll do yum clean all to clean all the caches. Okay, so from here we can just navigate to u02. Now we'll start to install the binds packages. We'll start first with the libs libraries. Okay, Control C or paste and click install. Okay, installed, completed, and then I'll install the bind. This is the core service. Done. I will install the utility, bind utility. Okay, paste and done, install. So cd etc name or named.conf. Okay, name ls it's empty. Let's do ls-l etc name.conf.bkp. Okay, I think this is a okay. This file is exist, so I need to back to it to be backup. But first, I need to stop the name service. Systemctl name stop. Sorry, I will copy it here. Stop name. Sorry, because they changed the service to systemctl. Okay, and then I need also to systemctl disable the, because I don't want it to be started while I'm working. So from here I want to I will go to navigate to this directory. Paste. Here contain all the files that I need to accomplish this task. Okay, because I prepared it before, but first I need to back up all the configuration files because I don't want to touch the or the configuration files that's come with the software or the service. So also I will Okay, I will copy this one, but before I will, okay, sorry. Before I copy this, I want to open it to show you what is exactly contain, to make you understand or let you understand exactly what I did. Okay, this contain like this, an option. Just I add this one, the IP of my machine, to show you what is exactly. I can just clear IP minus okay, IP A. You can see here. This is for cluster where I don't for private connection. This is for public connection, so I will use this IP for DNS. So I pick this one and put it here. Okay, so and then you can see here also I put it as allowed query. So okay, for any IP that's have this range will be able to query this DNS service. So I add also this zones. This will help me to, okay, when you enter the domain, the RAC domain or the domain, let's say RAC1, this will help you to get the IP. Here, the vice versa. When you put the IP, you can get the name. And then in the end of installation and configuration, I will show you what's exactly. What's the benefit of these two zones? Okay, so this is the file. I will copy it to etc. So I will go to this one. I will copy this one. Okay. Control V. Copied. I will change the owner. Should be the owner. Okay, cd etc. Okay, ls, sorry, ls minus l etc named.conf. Okay, you can see here. I will put start to see, but you can see here the permission. They have the different permission, so I will let this one to be similar to this one, and this one also similar to this one, because this is important to make this work. So I will change this, and also I will change mode, change the permission. So I changed the ownership, and I also changed the permission on this file. Okay, make sure that they are the similar. Okay, they are similar to each other. They are the same. Then I'm going to change, okay, to copy this one. I prepared it before, but I will open it and let you see what exactly contains. Okay, it contains, as you see, this one is the range or the IP. This is the last or the last number from this IP. So any machine, if you just request 192.168.1.101, it will show you this one, or print out this one. Similar to 102, it will print track 2.track domain, and so on. So this is what exactly the file contains. So for RAC domain, it's the opposite. When you ask for RAC1, will show you the IP, this IP. So when you just ask for RAC2, it will show for you this IP, and so on. Okay, so I'll just copy all of them to the var name folder by, okay, this one. I prepared these commands, so we can just to make it too much fast, because I don't want to be let this video too much long. So paste, and also same for RAC zone, paste, and also for, I will also change the Okay, paste. I will change it also for RAC domain zone. Paste. I will change also the permission. The permission by change mode command, and also I will change it also for the RAC zone and so on. So first I will back up this folder, this directory, this file. Move. Okay, it's not exist. So we will create. Okay, I will this one and okay host. I will check this. I will check the host name. Host name. Make sure. Okay, it's RAC domain. Fine. Good. So it's RAC domain. So also you can see here. I need just also to change. I'll show what's exactly this resolv.conf. What it exactly contains. Also the same cat etc resolv.conf. You can see here. This is for network manager. When the network trying to search for a name, it will search RAC domain. But also for name server, if I want to search for, it will take this this IP for as a IP for searching for a specific name. Okay, so here we can just I think we finished. We have okay. We can check by NS lookup RAC1. Why it's not working? Because we did. I forget to systemctl start. First enable, because we disable it. Enable name, and also we can. Oh, okay, it's working fine. Systemctl start name. Okay, and then right now we can just ns. Okay, you can see it's working. So I search for a name, return back this one, and this one. That means the DNS server working on this machine. And also you can see this is the port, and we can see here also this RAC1 is for RAC domain, and the IP address for this name or for RAC1, the IP for RAC1 is this one. So let's try with the RAC2. Let's see what. Okay, you can see here this RAC2. You can find it on this server under this port, and the name is RAC2 under the domain of RAC domain. And also you can see the IP address for this is 102. So let's try the opposite. Let's put here the 192.168.0.1. Let's say 102. Okay, I think yes. Server cannot find 102.1016. Okay, Actually, there is a problem with this one, but actually we don't need it, because we need just only the NS lookup. We just need it for the name, actually. So for me, okay, I'm not interested to solve this issue for the opposite, You can search the internet to find the solution, but for us, this one is enough for the RAC installation. So thank you for watching, and prepare for the next video. It's about how to create the disks and configure the disks for ASM. So stay tuned to see you next time. Thank you for watching.